Okay, let's start writing our first C program. Okay, so the first C program we're going to write is very simple. We are just going to print hello world onto the screen. Okay, so let's start writing our first C program. First, we're going to include a file. Hash include stdio.h. Okay, this file gives you functionality to output strings onto the screen and take input from the screen for your programs. Okay, and then we're going to start with main. Int main. Every C program has to have a main. Okay, and main sometimes takes parameters, and in this case we're not going to give any parameters inside main, as you can see. Okay, and we're going to start the program with an open curly brace and end it with a closed curly brace. Okay, and as our first program is very simple, it's not going to have anything except a small function printf hello world. Okay, that's all. So it's as simple as this to print hello world onto the screen. Okay, that's it. We are actually done. Okay, and this thing is a statement in C, and every statement has to end with a semicolon as this one. Okay, now I just saved it as hello world.c. okay, as you can see here. Okay, so let's compile it with gcc hello world.c. okay, as you can see it is compiled successfully, and now the executable is also generated, as you can see. Let's run the executable. Okay, and now we're going to have hello world and the prompt next. Okay, so this is just our first program. Okay, just to summarize, every C program has to have some includes, because we don't want to write all our C programs, everything from scratch. So we want some help, some functionality already designed by somebody else for us. So that's what this stdio does. Basically, IO means input output. So this gives functions to input to the screen and to output to the screen and get input from the screen. And every C program has to have a main like this one. Okay, and either it can take some parameters or it may not take any parameters. So let's just write void here. Okay, void means it doesn't take any parameters. Okay, and all C programs has to begin with open curly brace and end with open curly brace. Okay, it's just the syntax. So just make sure that whenever you start a program with an open curly brace, you at that same moment you also put a closed curly brace so that you just don't make any mistakes. Okay, and C programs consist of statements as this one. Printf hello world is a statement, and printf itself is a function which is in the stdio.h, and it takes a string as a parameter, as you see, and it ends with a semicolon. Okay, basically this is just our first very simple program. Okay, so why have we written a hello world program? Because all programs all around the world consider writing the first program as hello world, because it's just considered more auspicious to do so. Okay, so with this we come to the end of our first program. Okay, have a nice day.